Hey everyone, today I'm diving into two smartwatches that really caught my attention. The KOSPET Magic R10 and the P10. They're packed with features you usually only find in much higher end models, from AMOLED displays and GPS to wellness tracking and smart features. I've been wearing them for a bit, and in this video I'll show you what they can really do. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with what's inside the box. I've got the R10 in black and the P10 in silver. You'll also find a magnetic charging cable, the user manual, and a bonus black leather strap. A nice touch if you want to switch up your style. So the way to install the leather bands, all you do is first you remove the plastic rubber bands first, and then you slide in the back piece first in the hole, and then you use the lever down, and then you pop that in. And then from there, it's easier if you take off the other side of the band first, so that way it'll be easier to install it. So you slide it off, and then you insert the back piece first down, and then once that's in place, then you bring down the lever, and then it slides in place. And now your watch looks like a brand new watch with the new leather bands. Very nice. Design wise, both watches feel premium with their 316 low carbon stainless steel bezels and slim modern builds. Even the crown is detailed with the KOSPET logo. The AMOLED display really stands out. It reaches up to 1000 nits, making it easy to read in full sunlight. Plus, it responds well even with wet fingers. The silver P10 has that minimalistic, clean look, while the black R10 gives off a sportier vibe. Outdoors, these watches shine. They use dual band positioning L1 plus L5, so GPS locks on quickly and stays solid, even in cities or wooded areas. You get 180 sport modes, so whether you're running, cycling, swimming, or playing pickleball, like I did, it got you covered. The P10 is even rated for swimming, and R10 handled my regular workouts without a hiccup. So now I'm going to show you how this works inside the pool. So I'm going to set up my outdoor pool workout routine. You click there and you press go. The screen is going to stop working now, and you can see me doing my laps. So the great thing about this watch, that is water resistant and it holds up very well in the water. And you can even see how I go under the water and it still holds up very well. And this counts your laps and it counts everything else. And here I'm going to do an outdoor walk, so you can see how fast that the GPS starts working, and it checks your heart rate, how far you're walking, and how many calories you burn. So here it's starting on the app, so the GPS picks up right away. So you can see that when you start walking, that it starts tracking all your movements here. So this thing works very well. It tracks your movement precisely, and you don't have to wait too long for the GPS to be picked up using the app. When it comes to health tracking, the R10 and the P10 both use a next generation 4PD sensor, similar to what you'll see in some flagship watches. You'll get data on heart rate variability, sleep quality, and stress levels, and it performs reliably even during tough workouts or on a wide range of skin tones. Both watches also handle smart features really well. I was able to take Bluetooth phone calls, read messages, and control my music right from the wrist. It works smoothly across different apps, and it's compatible with both Android and iOS. Battery life is another standout. I wore it daily for several days and didn't need to reach for the charger. Whether you're using it for regularly or just checking it throughout the day, it holds its charge impressively well. I love how this watch battery life lasts about 12 or more days, depending on how much that you use it. So I'm glad that I don't have to worry about charging every other day like the other watches. All your data syncs seamlessly to the Apex Move app, which is easy to navigate and even integrates with Apple Health and Strava. You can track your progress, create a workout plan, and view trends all in one place. Honestly, these watches make fitness and lifestyle tracking feel effortless. If you're thinking about leveling up your wrist game, the KOSPET Magic R10 and the P10 are packed with features and designed to fit just about any lifestyle. Check out the link in the description for more details, and if you got questions, hit the comment. Don't forget to like and follow for more hands-on reviews. I'll see you in the next one.